Good morning, everybody. Okay, just a reminder that the Zoom workshop this Wednesday is on, it's the third installment of the My Training Moves. Last year, we ended the year with understanding muscle and your symptoms, understanding muscle and your symptoms and injuries, and what true training is, principles and concepts of that. That was 6.5 hours. So if that was the hows and whys, this series of 3 workshops are the whats. They're the colors that you paint with as the artist. They're the colors I use clinically and personally as I paint in my own life and guide people to paint uniquely for them, and then teach them how to train themselves. Because again, learning to train yourself and learning to understand what the connection to muscle is in this tissue that allows you to do anything from get dressed, to cook for yourself, to shop for yourself, to even chew and digest, to void and eliminate and then clean yourself and bathe yourself and put yourself to bed and express emotions and handle the depths of the intensity of emotions, and then also handle where the curiosity of where your feelings and beliefs take you, and the depth of the changes that you're going to make, your ability to work, your ability to create, your ability to travel. Everybody in every profession will announce it, they'll admit it, that strength is a huge component, but we've just perverted it so much. How is strength important? A surgeon will say you're not strong enough to handle a surgery. A therapist will even say you aren't strong enough to handle where we're going to go with this case. You aren't strong enough to handle and digest a certain level of food. If we gave you this food, just like if you gave a dog that was denying food that there would be an expense paid. You aren't strong enough to be able to digest that level of sunlight. You aren't strong enough to be able to live on your own and survive a fall or be able to take care of yourself, says everybody in your family and everyone else. So strength is such a huge component that we kind of disregard it because of what the world's positioning it as, just like any form of medicine or healing responses. It's no different. It's just what we're doing with everything human. And so we're trying to take that back and sort of romanticize it, but put it back into your hands. So this class, these last 3 classes were the colors. They're the whats, they're the selections, they're the movement choices. The first 2 classes were lower body movements and upper body movements. This is the accessory portion. What that means is if the lower body movements and the upper body movements were like building a castle, calf jumps and spinal hygiene is crossing the bridge, putting the bridge down across the moat to start to build the castle. This class, the accessory moves, are the cannons on the castle walls. They're the defense. They're just as important, and I will go ahead and position them accordingly. There's going to be like 80 or 90, maybe even more. I'm going to cover face, eyes, hands, feet, toes, fingers, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, ankles. They're all the joint specific stuff that are important. But again, you can't live in a cannon. You can't house in a cannon. And a cannon can't be in a canoe and fire and operate properly. So it again, there's a reason that there's a series. There's a reason that there's 3. There's a reason that I already did an understanding muscle workshop. There's a reason that I did understanding relationships workshop. There's a reason that I did understanding hormones, menopause, and andropause, and mental health. And there's a reason that all these tie together. And we'll move forward. This is not the end of these workshops. This workshop will be this Wednesday at 2:30 Pacific. Email me for details on it. Don't worry if you can't make the live. It will be a 21-day replay for all that register or anyone that isn't able to make it. And then after that 21 days, it's going to go to the master library, where there's annual membership options to access the video workshops that I have for people to be able to either do continuing education or who aren't ready to work with me one-on-one on various topics, as I said, from nourishment to muscle to hormones, menopause, andropause, mental health, to doing the tough things, to how to process ill family, to hands, feet, hanging, calf jump, spinal hygiene, edits to my book, 2-part series there, and then future classes. You'll have discounts on future classes when you are in this membership format. Future classes being understanding rest, where sleep will be in that, understanding light, where sunlight, moonlight will be a part of that, understanding maybe fasting. I was going to go into specifics around the shoulder, the mechanics and the understanding of it, specifics around hips, specifics around core, what core even means. I'm going to do a breath work one, the truth about breath work, understanding that. Fasting, I think I was going to do cardiac, all things cardiovascular system. And so there's a lot of options and a lot of class topics that I'm going to bring. Understanding injuries, understanding pain, eyes and teeth, a special one on eyes and teeth. So there's a lot of these workshops that are going to come up with the next few years. And so the library is just going to continue to build. And so we are going to add to that library this Wednesday. So email me, info@TommyJohnIII.com. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Again, I return the emails. You are connecting to me, and so the first dose of your new prescription of medicine comes from that email, because it's a reach out that you've never done before, and I don't waste it. Even within there, you will get tidbits of understanding you more and understanding your next steps more, whether or not we end up working together, or whether or not you consume any of my material, or whether or not I know about it, since most of it's free and it's up here and I don't have any idea whether or not people are taking it in. But I will keep producing it, keep putting it on my walls, and keep continuing as a practitioner, because I do it in my own life. I have to play by the same rules and laws. I'm not exempt. I don't have a secret stash somewhere where I get to break all these rules and don't apply to the rest of humanity. Nope. Gotta understand them in my life first to be able to guide anyone going forward. So looking forward to hearing from you guys, and then I'll see everyone who's up for it this Wednesday for the My Training Moves, the accessory portion video, or workshop number 3 of the training series, 3-part series. Boom.